One last thing here. You can still hear it closing. Hear it? You want it to do that because that's your weather stripping. That's your door depressing into the weather stripping on the sides. And I like how the bottom, not all thresholds are like this, mind you, because this one, the door swings out. But I like the fact that they put the notch in there and had a little piece of weather stripping down here too. And I can still hear the weather stripping that's under here. There's still the little rubber bits down here. They were just kind of folded over. So when I zipped off all this hard plastic, I didn't mess up the rubber gasket. So there's feelers under there, like 4 or 5 feelers, and they're kind of pushed down here like that to allow this to push on top of there. And you can still hear it. Hear that? And that's what you want. Oh yes, I like it. Okay, I did a little bit more underneath there. And everything is nice now. I know Mommy's gonna like that now. Okay, last but not least, is to clean up. You know that. I do that on every job. I make sure I get it all cleaned up. I'll sweep that off and hit that a little bit and sweep this all up, vacuum in here, wipe this all down so it looks like I was never there. Well, I didn't even know this was on my project list, but I guess it was because Mommy wanted it done, and I'm glad I got it fixed. Well, that's all I got. Oh, I guess you can't really see me that way yet, can you? That's all I got for this time. But I'll be back with more videos. What am I going to talk about next time? I have no idea. But it'll be something that you might be interested in to save money around the house. Keep watching my channel. Time to get to work. Yeah, I'm going to show you this morning. I'm going to show you very quickly, it's not going to take me that long either, I don't think, on how to fix a sagging exterior door with a Phillips screwdriver. That's all I'm going to use. Let's see if I can do it.